Good afternoon, my name is Desiree.
And my name is Zahra.
Today we shall be talking about GeoStore snacks, the one thing students in our school look forward to during lunch period.
So, are GeoStore snacks healthy or not? Are students looking forward to harmful snacks?
Are GeoStore snacks really worth what they cost? Well, let's dive into that right now. Let's start with how healthy the GeoStore snacks are.
Some of the snacks in GeoStore include a variety of popular chips,
Ice cream,
Pop-Tarts,
juice,
and cookies.
These are not very healthy, are they?
These snacks can include many harmful ingredients. For example, the hot Cheetos in the GeoStore contain
sugar, vegetable oil, and artificial color.
These ingredients are not good for our bodies. Those are just 3 of the many unhealthy ingredients.
We should limit our taking of these ingredients in this product, but also keep in mind that this isn't the only unhealthy food in the GeoStore.
Let's move on to another factor of the GeoStore. Is the price of the products reasonable? Well, the price for the snacks are $2, but should it be less or more?
Well, let's dive in farther.
I think $2 is a reasonable price for the snacks.
I think it should be $1. I mean, $2 is a reasonable price, but $1 means that more people come to the GeoStore.
I agree, but these GeoStore snacks are overpriced. At the store I go to, the chips are 2 for $1.
But at the GeoStore, for one bag, it's $2. And that includes the Pop-Tarts, most of the ice creams, the chocolate cookies, and for popcorn. Even the water is $2, which we could just get from the hallways on our way to and from lunch.
However, I do like the deals at the GeoStore. 2 snacks are $3.
This is a great deal, but the prices for one is not fair, and the sales is probably just there to make you buy more every time.
Yes, I agree. It makes you come back to the GeoStore again and again.
$1 would make everyone happier, and they could do it as a sale since we still understand that they need to make profit off the snacks we buy to make money off the GeoStore. Oh, this is it. Are you going to limit your intake of these GeoStore snacks?
What do you think? Is the price of the snacks in the GeoStore reasonable?
This is the end.
I hope you're thinking about your health and the cost of the GeoStore snacks.
See you later.
Until next time.